doing, helping a fugitive escape? I must be completely out of my mind.
Yeah, but it's okay. If I was her, I would be wondering, like, every day after that, what dude got into and what dude got into afterwards after I helped him. Because that is two nuts. Is that my door? Is that Ethan's? Ethan just let... Oh, he is!
Oh my god.
Is homeboy alright?
I gotta call a doctor. I can't just leave him like this.
Is he alive? I got bro through it. She's probably like, what is he getting himself into? You were a foot from the bed, sir. You couldn't have passed out on it. He's got more injuries. He smelled burnt to a crisp. How'd he get here?
Ethan, can you hear me?
She went.
Calm down, girl. There must be something I can do to help him.
What did this just do? I'm gonna sit by him. Why not? Oh, he's blinking! He's up!
You've got a hell of a fever.
I will go grab the medicine
Arms look
for the
really
fever.
bad. I need to disinfect your wounds.
Again!
I'm gonna have to get your clothes off to disinfect those wounds.
How much of him got fucked up? Now I gotta see the damage I actually did. His back looks okay. Let me see his arms. It's gonna be like this side that's all fucked up. She said all of it, all of it. We gonna play, almost said Dr. Seuss. That man was not a doctor. Was he? Medical doctor? I don't know.
I'm no doctor, but I'll do what I can.
Neither was Dr. Seuss! Disinfectant first. I'm trying not to kick the camera. Got it right in front of me. And it's under my blanket, so I'm like, trying not to kick it over. Oh!
God.
Sorry.
I don't know how much slower they want me to go. I feel like I, in real life, could disinfect this easier. Is his head okay?
Your wounds
What?
are disinfected.
Like, why are you petting him? Only one arm needed it, apparently. Ointment? Sure. Didn't realize it was a slow one
Sorry,
until too
I'm
late.
stupid. I'm using anti-burn ointments on your cuts.
Why didn't you tell me that? Girl. I don't know what ointment that's for. There's like antibacterial ointment. I figured that's what you were using.
He's unconscious. Now I'll just have to wait. And hope he wakes up.
Hope he wakes up. Go check how many more origami bitches he's got left. I know a lizard is left. Maybe a wolf? I can't remember. I did the bear and the butterfly. Damn, girl, how long you waiting? Girl, go to sleep.
How do you feel?
He's like, who are you?
I've been better. Was I out for long?
About 3 hours.
Okay.
Why
Need to go get that lizard.
Intellect? You don't even know me.
You were lying on the floor.
When I was a child,
Oh, God.
I was always the one who used to fix my brothers up when they'd been fighting with the other kids on the block. I suppose I like to play the guardian angel.
Sure. Doesn't make it any less weird, but you're being helpful, so.
You said you were here because you're an insomniac?
Eh.
I've been going through a bit of a tough patch the last few months.
What happened?
It's the kind of stuff you prefer to forget.
He's like, yeah, I get it.
I do what I can to live with it, but, it's not easy. You seem to lead a dangerous life.
Not until recently, apparently.
It's not the one I chose.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't be asking you questions. I mean, after all, we hardly know each other. You have no reason to trust me.
Listen, I'm truly grateful for your help, but for your own sake, I think it's better if you don't ask any questions.
Help?
Maybe I could help you.
No one can help me. You've already done a lot, Madison.
He remembers your name.
Right.
That's a low-ass bar, but you know.
I'm gonna go. Take care.
Sure. Ethan's like, bruh. Lizard. Are you prepared to make a sacrifice to save your son? 9711 Marble Street. Oh, we're Madison now. Okay.
I didn't do it. I swear I didn't.
I went to the police?
I've got nothing to do with that business. I never killed
Oh,
nobody.
no? Then why did you run away when they came to question you?
I already told you. I
don't
forgot to
think this
report
is
to
him.
my parole officer. I didn't want to go back to prison.
So you
I
whooped
saw the cops.
my
I
ass?
just bolted. I wasn't thinking straight.
And then you fought me.
We checked out his statement. He has an alibi for at least 3 of the murders.
Fuck, that bastard was a perfect fit. Shit!
Was he? Because he doesn't seem stable enough to do that.
Ash? Okay.
Oh, it's only...
Sean Moss's mother's here. She'd like to speak with you.
We haven't seen much of, Miss...
It was a few months
Ex-Miss
back,
Mars.
the middle of the night. It was pouring down. Ethan came home completely drenched at about 3. I asked him where he'd been. He spoke about drowning, the rain. He didn't make any sense. There was something in his eyes. As if it wasn't really him. There may be no connection, but the next day there was that announcement about another victim of the origami killer. Find my son. I'm begging you.
We'll do what we can, bro. We will do what we can.
I'm Police Lieutenant Carter Blake, and this is Agent Norman Jayden of the FBI. According to our information, Ethan Mars is one of your patients. We'd like to ask you a few questions about him.
I'm sorry, that's...
I'm a suspect now? Oh my god, and I left blood at the scene.
I'm bound by an oath of secrecy.
Oh, shit.
Under no circumstances may I discuss my patients.
My job is to find Sean Mars alive, and I don't give a damn about any bullshit oath.
I know you don't want to protect a murderer. If you know anything, you must tell us, Doctor.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. And now I must ask you to leave.
You need to cooperate. For your own sake.
Did I already fuck it up?
It's your duty to inform the police if you suspect one of your patients, Doctor.
Yeah.
Are you threatening me?
I'm just giving you some free advice, Doc. I suggest you take it.
Doctor, a child's life is at stake. You may know something that could help us save him.
I am going to call the police and make a complaint about your behavior.
Doctor, you are really pushing my buttons.
Like,
the only thing I'm interested in is saving that kid's life. So, you're
dude,
a good boy and tell me what I want to know, or
dude,
I'm really gonna lose my temper.
What are you doing? Are you out of your mind?
Back
what are you
off.
doing?
This guy knows something, and I'm not leaving here until he tells me what it is.
You have no right!
Get. Oh my god. Let me do something! Pressing every button. It's not letting me do shit. Dude!
Come on, Doc. There's an easy way and a hard way.
Can I do something?
Choice.
Am I not clicking a button? Am I fucking up?
You
Stop.
have no right to hit him.
I'm saving a kid's life for Christ's sake.
No, you're not. Get the fuck off him. What are you doing?
What's up with you, Norm? How you getting cold feet? You don't like to get your hands dirty, huh?
Are you a fucking
Save
idiot?
that kid.
I want to save Sean Mars just as much as you do, but that doesn't give me the freedom to do what the hell I like, so you're gonna stop this shit right now.
Ooh, nose to nose. Yeah, get the fuck out of here with that. What are you doing?
I'll get you for this, Jayden. Don't worry. I will not forget.
Ethan
Forget
Mars
what?
had psychological problems since his first son died. Feels responsible for his death. A sort of morbid neurosis. He is haunted by visions of drowning bodies. A few weeks ago,
Look at him
after
smiling.
our usual
Fucking
sessions,
prick.
I found this on the floor. It must have fallen out of his pocket.
Oh, I was like, am I supposed to walk over and grab it? Jayden, we are gonna whoop his ass. What in the world made him think that that was okay?
Every available man to finding Ethan Mars. I want a man outside his place day and night. Notify all agencies to start looking for him. I want you to keep an eye on the train stations, the
Am I
airport,
bruised
the bus
right here?
terminal. I want every cop in the city on his ass, so that if he moves, we know about it. Yes, Ethan Mars is the origami killer.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. His own son went missing. Are you fucking dumb? I'm so glad I didn't tell that doctor about the fucking spells he's been having. You got a band-aid. Alright, Shelby. Ew.
I kept Lauren in the dark on this one. I'll pick her up from her place later on.
Oops.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Please come in, Mr. Shelby.
Alright.
Would you care for a coffee?
Nope. Don't give me no
thanks.
coffee.
Do you play?
Nope.
I tried once, but I think the owner of the course is still looking for me.
It's an interesting sport. It requires strength, but also a cool head and absolute precision. Would you care to hit a few balls with me? There's no danger of damaging the greens here.
Okay.
Take off your jacket and grab a club.
Why am I here? Is this his fucking dad? He about to hit me with a golf club. He about to whack.
The balls are in that basket. The most important thing is to grip the club correctly. When you feel ready, you swing.
He starts. Ah. Love it. I gotta make the controller high as fuck because it can't just sit on my lap.
Hell, it's only your first ball. You should try to strike it a little harder next time.
I'm assuming you didn't invite me here just to play golf, Mr. Kramer.
I hear you've been asking questions about my son.
That's right. I want to know if Gordy is linked to the Origami killer case in any way.
He's not answering me back there. What the fuck?
My son had nothing to do with that sorting case.
Just act like the cases aren't
Well,
still
then he has
going.
nothing to fear from my investigation.
Well, that's not true, but you know. Just because
You have
innocent
no
people
business
need lawyers, by the
investigating
way.
my son. I told you, he had nothing to do with it.
And I'll just take your word on it? I think not.
With all due respect, Mr. Kramer,
That
it's
ain't
up
how
to
this
me
shit
to
works.
decide who I want to investigate.
Look at him looking at you.
I'm an influential man, Mr. Shelby.
And?
I pay very well for loyalty.
Are you trying to buy me?
Let's just say I'm trying to show you where your interest lies. How much do you want to leave my son alone?
You would not be trying to pay me off if he's innocent.
I think you misunderstood me. I don't play that game.
Don't go near my son, Mr. Shelby. If you do, you'll regret it.
Have a nice day, Mr. Kramer.
Ooh! Ooh! And he's looking him in the eyes. Now what, bitch? Look at him pissed. I'm gonna hit the golf ball so hard! Prick. Do we know if it's him? Let's go, Ethan. On a manhunt to find you, apparently. Ah! Rats!
Where are you, Sean?
Is that one of his toys or something?
Porcelain lizards? They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat-up stuff.
Let me get my legs out of the way. Oh!
Still feeling weak. I can hardly stand.
Did I not just break? Oh, I broke it over there.
The pain's coming back. Drugs are beginning to wear off.
Something in it. There you go. I'm just breaking shit.
There's been a fire in here. Everything is all burned up.
No. Don't say that.
9711 Marble Street. It's the right place, but what am I supposed to do in this dump?
Oh yeah, the lizard origami is what I'm following. Okay. Okay. There's so many buildings like this around where you live. Ethan and G, though, he got this. He is so sadistic for this.
A GPS on the table.
Like, who puts all this together? This is why the other husbands went missing and died. I found one of them in the sewers.
To suffer to save your son? You have 5 minutes to cut off the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.
You're not serious, you're not serious, you're not serious.
I have to go through with it. I have no choice, for Sean's sake.
You better say goodbye to that. Oh! A cleaver! And it's not clean!
The pain's gonna be intense. Gotta find some way to reduce it.
Are you serious? Let me cut it. Oh! That's where I drop it off? Okay. Ah. Fuck! Grab it!
You have 4 minutes.
Stop! Stop talking! I have anxiety. You're fucking with me. Yeah, why not? Put it down.
You have 4 minutes.
Shut up!
Left.
Stop talking to me. Let's cut this shit. Okay. Ah! That deep breath was ass. Let's go, Ethan. Is that a press? What is that? Yeah, it is.
You have.
Oh! He had to get it twice.
Under the desk.
Oh my god, I'm so glad he picked the left hand. Okay. Oh my god, that made me nauseous. Jesus. What did the alcohol do? Jesus. And then back to her, because you know she's gonna be like, why the fuck are you missing a finger? Ethan the realist. Cause what?
That's affirmative, Lieutenant. We're in position. Perfect. Nobody moves until I give the signal. Is that clear? We nail him as soon as he sets foot outside. Right, Lieutenant. Lucky that patrol spotted his car.
What's he doing in there?
Beats me. You're the profiler, right? I thought you were supposed to be right inside the killer's head.
Well, that's just it.
He's not the killer.
I know if Ethan Mars doesn't match the killer's psychological profile.
At all.
I know what the jury's gonna choose between your theories and concrete proof.
What proof? Look at Madison like,
What the fuck is that girl doing there? If Mars comes out now, she's gonna be in trouble.
What do we do, Lieutenant? Want to get her out?
No, stand down.
That's my homegirl. Let's go, Madison. Madison a badass. Nerves of steel.
The cops don't know me. I could just walk into the building without being noticed. I've got to warn Ethan. The police. They staked out the building where Ethan is.
They're gonna be like, why in the fuck is she going in there?
Going inside. Maybe she lives there. Well, it's just as well. We don't want anyone hanging around if Mars comes out.
Ethan, what happened? The police. They're out there. I think they're here to arrest you.
Ethan's like, for
Without
what?
Another way out.
Wait!
Shit. What's he up to in there?
Oh, I'm doing something.
My word.
A solution. There's gotta be a solution.
Madison, you are the realest bitch alive. Cause you went and found him to help him? Ethan, I don't ever want to hear you say, I don't know, we don't know each other very well. You better explain everything after this.
Shit. It's too high.
Grab something. Grab something. A chair? I think I saw a chair back here. Oh.
Ready on my go.
No.
Stay here, Jayden.
Out of the question. I'm coming with you.
There you go, Jayden.
2 men at the door, hold your positions. It's a go.
No, it is not. Okay. Stop. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Ethan. Ethan.
Come on,
Go.
let's go this way.
Go. Go. Oh, thank God he got up. Go. Ethan, go. Ah! Go!
Hey, you, don't move. I'll shoot.
Come on.
You will not shoot.
I can't. Hands in the air.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Lieutenant, there's a man and a woman exiting the alley.
A woman? Shit. It's
We've
that
got the
girl who
cops
went
on
in.
our ass.
Everybody down.
No way out.
They're in the alley. Follow them.
The subway.
What the hell am I doing? Helping a fugitive escape? I must be completely out of my mind.
Yeah, but it's okay.
The subway entrance across the street. It's our only hope.
Don't move!
Which way did I just walk? Nice. Okay. Hmm.
I'm not here to judge you, Ethan. I'm trying to save the life of your son.
No, you're not!
Time, but it's running out. Help me, Ethan. Tell me what you know. I'm gonna lay my cards on the table.
Oh, I'm Jayden right now, I forgot.
I don't believe you're guilty. I know that sounds strange, but I have my reasons. But you are gonna have to help me to prove your innocence because the odds are stacked against you. Look at these, Ethan. Look at these. 8 photographs. 8 lives taken.
What does that have to do with me?
In the goddamn rain. Recognize this one, huh? That's your son, Ethan. That's Sean. He is still alive. Talk to me, Ethan. Say something.
No, because I'm drowning my son currently. Yep, that's me. I killed all them people and then decided my son.
You've lost, Ethan. What will you gain with one more victim? Huh?
Let him go and he's gonna start whooping my ass for what?
I kidnapped my son. But I can't remember what happened.
I did that?
I don't know where he is. The only way to find him is to let me out of here. I'm the only person who can save him.
What?
You don't remember anything, but you think you're the origami killer. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
that doesn't...
Ethan, but you're gonna have to do a lot better than that if you want me to believe you.
Ethan,
I love my son. I love my son. If you keep me here, Sean is going to die.
Nigga, just come with me! Like, bro.
Time's running out, Ethan. And frankly, I don't care why you did it. The only thing I want to know is where you've hidden.
That's why he said to stop recording. We know exactly why.
I don't know. I would already have saved him if I knew where he was.
Okay. This is your last chance, Ethan. And this time, I suggest you think carefully before you answer.
I don't like San in here because he's about to start
Sean
whooping ass. And not in a good way.
I don't know.
Stop.
Come on, asshole! I've been waiting for this for a long time.
I'm gonna whoop your ass. I hope you know that. Yeah? Yeah? I'll fuck you up. Absolutely I will. Really?
Wanna play games, asshole? Come on.
You gonna shoot an FBI agent?
You're out of your mind, Blake.
You are, if you think you're gonna get away with that.
You your badge.
Yeah?
You better get the hell out of here, Norman. Before I give in to the temptation of painting the walls with your fucking brains.
I'm not going anywhere. Am I really leaving? You're fucking stupid, Jayden. Record it. I'm turning that recording right back on.
That bastard is gonna beat a confession out of Morris. He just wants a culprit, even if it's the wrong guy.
fix this?
That asshole has gone too far this time.
My office! Run that back.
That is not the way it's gonna go. I'm gonna tell the whole story to Captain Perry.
Oh my god, move.
Blake is trying to
He's right there.
out of Ethan Mars. You've got to do something.
Which is more important, Norman? Finding little Sean Mars or sparing that lowlife a few bruises?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Omelets without breaking a few eggs.
God damn! Ethan Mars is innocent! We've got to get back to looking for Sean if we're to have any chance of finding him alive!
Are you fucking kidding me?
This case has worn you out, Norman.
I reran this chapter just for him to say this to me?
Through.
I was thinking through throwing that fucking coffee in your face. I don't know what that drug does, but nothing negative has come from me not taking it, so it is what it is. I reran this chapter to go talk to this dude, and he's a fucking moron. What the fuck?
Your vodka, sir.
Thanks.
You look preoccupied, if you don't mind my saying so. Problems with the investigation?
I want to kill two of my fellow officers, but you know.
Blake is
no
convinced that
problems.
Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's true. But it just doesn't make sense. His psychological profile doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocalization. I can't see this father drowning 8 victims before kidnapping his own kid.
Right, the kid would be the first victim.
Mars
Why
is
would he
not the
move to his
origami
kid?
killer. I'd stake my life on it.
Then who is?
I haven't
No.
the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
That's just what I was thinking of doing.
Oh, one last thing, sir.
Mm.
You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous.
I haven't taken a
Very
drop, so I'm good.
dangerous.
I'm trying to keep a handle on it, but that's difficult. It gets more and more difficult.
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful.
I haven't taken any, so
That would be most unfortunate, sir.
I don't know what it is. Trip to? I don't know what that means. It's not any kind of drug I've ever heard of, so. What the bro, touchdown on Mars?
A Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park.
Okay.
In the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared.
Okay.
Could it be the killer's car?
It's possible. I wish I knew how this worked. I'm just tossing files. You know how much easier this would make everything? So I learned what his car probably looks like, and that's it? I feel like I'm missing stuff. Jackson Neville.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack. Involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car.
Possible. Very,
it's a
very
pretty slim
possible.
lead, but it's all I have right now.
Okay. You provided him with the car. Let's go ask him about it, I guess. Where did I get punched? Was that from my fight with Blake? Oh my god, I hate that dude. I thought I was jumping the gun a little bit. No, I hate him.
I gotta find some way to get Ethan Mars out of here. Even if there's only a 1 in 1,000 chance he's telling the truth, he may still be able to save his son. I should consult my superiors.
Did Mars
Maybe.
confess?
No, that's
No,
stupid.
not yet.
I gotta handle this
Lost
on my own.
consciousness. We'll give him a break and then we'll get back to him.
You must be tougher
My
than
gut
I
feeling
thought.
is that Mars is innocent, and I gotta get him out of here.
Tough or not, he'll crack. They all do.
In any
I
case,
hate y'all.
Congratulations, Lieutenant. You've done a fine job. I've called a press conference. Gonna kick off in 1 hour. I expect it'll be quite an event.
Huh.
Don't you want to wait until we actually got his confession?
No point.
Has he confessed?
Not yet.
I see. Leave us alone.
Lieutenant Blake said to...
Please, leave us alone.
Right, I'll be at the door if you need anything.
Please don't be another casualty.
Christ. Are you alright, Ethan?
No. Oh my god, I feel like I need to sneeze constantly. He's already so fucked up. Oh my god. How do you feel okay doing this to people?
I gotta get out of here. I've gotta save my son.
Let's see what I can do.
I think someone's in there. I'm not sure.
Should be able to get him out of here without being noticed. Gotta find some way to get rid of the guard if I want to free Mars. Shit! What am I doing? Helping a suspect to escape? That'll cost me my badge and earn me a 10-year stretch. First, get rid of the cuffs.
Here you go.
I gotta find some way to get him through the police station undetected. Gary, you can take a break. I'll keep an eye on him.
You sure? Actually, I was busting for a piss. If you need to adjust his handcuffs, the keys are on my desk.
Where the fuck is your desk? It's the unoccupied one, yeah? Ah! Real casual. We about to get my boy out of here! Let's go, Ethan! Ethan the real, Ethan the G, Ethan my homie. Let's get him the fuck out of here. I turned that camera right the fuck off. Let's go, bro.
That's
He's
it.
like, huh?
You're free.
Put this on, you dummy.
Here, put this on. They're having a break. If you're quick, you'll be able to slip out without being noticed.
Don't say a fucking word
Straight
about
to
me.
the exit. Don't stop, don't talk, don't even think. Just walk.
I don't know what to say.
Just
Save
say
your
you're gonna
son.
Save your son.
Absolutely. Jayden is the fucking realest. This whole group of people, Madison, Jayden, Shelby, Lauren, they're all real. I oughta knock your fucking head off. Blake, I wish nothing but evil on you and your family. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest.